Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to erase your iPhone. Now if you want to erase or hard reset your iPhone but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now if your iPhone is not working properly and it is full of storage and you want to reset it or hard format it, then you just need to watch this video till the very end. The first thing which you need to do is that you need to open settings on your iPhone. Now you just need to tap on the gear like icon on a device and the setting page will open on a device. So this is the home page of setting where you'll see various options like airplane mode, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and all of it. So you just need to tap on the option of general, and under general you'll see the option like about, software update and all of it. So you just need to scroll down until you see the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So you need to tap on the option of transfer or reset iPhone, and here you'll see the option of reset or erase all content and settings. So click on the option of erase all content and settings. Now this will take you to the page where you'll see various options like erasing will sign out of your Apple account and remove your personal data, so this iPhone can be safely created or given away. So if you want to erase your iPhone, then you may click on the option of continue, but if you have changed your mind, then you may click on the option of not now. So by clicking on the option of continue, you will be able to erase the iPhone. So that's it. That's how you can erase your iPhone. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.